Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about binary search under data structures. So what we will learn today? What is binary search? Why binary search is used? Example on binary search. And lastly we'll see ways of writing binary search algorithm. So first we will learn what is binary search. It is a data searching technique. Now you want to store any data inside your computer and you can search it using data searching technique like binary search. Data can be anything like a number. Suppose you want to search this number 20, you can search using binary search. You can search the letter or alphabet like ABC. You can search the word like program. So using binary search, you can search any type of data which is present inside your machine. Binary search uses divide and conquer strategy. Now what is the meaning of this divide and conquer strategy? Large problem is divided into sub problem. Meaning what? One big problem is there, suppose. To get the answer for this big problem, it might be a complex. So you can divide this big problem into sub problems. Okay, sub problem 1, sub problem 2, like this. So we have to solve sub problem individually. Solving this sub problem will be easier because they are smaller in size. So then we have to combine the sub problem to get the original problem answer. After solving them individually, we have to combine them, and when we combine all the answer, we'll get the answer for the big problem. So this is called as divide and conquer strategy. We divide the problem first, given problem, and then we conquer, that is individually solve them and then combine all the sub problem and get the answer for the big problem. Binary search works only on the sorted data. Now what is the meaning of sorted data? Now this is the array. Array is a data structure which is used to store the data. Just like we have at home, we have a cupboard to store the clothes. In the library, you must have seen, to store the books we have a shelf. Same way, inside the machines we have to use the data structure inside our computer to store the data. And one of the data structure which you can use to store the data is array. Okay, an array contains similar type of elements. Now you can see in this array all the elements are of type integer, like all 2, 5, 8, 9, 11, 14, 16, all are integers, and they are in sorted order. Sorted order means what? Smaller element is there at the starting and largest element is there at the ending. They are in the order. See, after 2, 5 is coming. More than 5 is 8. So 8 is coming after 5. Then after 8, 9 is coming. After 9, 11 is coming. So they are in the linear sequence. They are in the order. Okay. So order can be ascending or descending, but it has to be sorted. So binary search works only on this type of data, that is sorted data. They must be in the increasing order or decreasing order. Now next is why binary search is used. To search the data. I already told you, if you want to search the data inside your machine, you can use the binary search algorithm for searching the data. So it is an efficient algorithm for searching large amount of data. There are other algorithms available for searching the data like linear search, but they are not efficient on large size data. Whereas binary search can easily search any data within a short amount of time when you apply it on the large amount of data. Suppose very big data is there, you can easily search any element from that data using binary search algorithm. It is the most efficient for searching large amount of data. Now, real life application or example of binary search, we can take it as a searching words in the dictionary. So in word dictionary, what we have? We have the words, right? And we get the meaning of those words. Suppose I want to find the meaning of the word program. Now, program word starts from letter P. So I am not going to open the dictionary and start searching from the first page. So what I'll do, I'll make the two halves of the dictionary. I'll go in the middle of the dictionary. And when I made a two half, I saw that there is a O letter word. I saw the O letter words. So I am on the O letter word page. So I know P comes after O. Okay, so program word will be there on the right hand side of the dictionary, because in the dictionary all the words are arranged in the alphabetical order. A letter word you will find it first, then you will find a B letter word, then C letter word, then D. They are in alphabetical order. So P letter word you will find on the right hand side of O. And when you go to P letter word, you will get to see the program word somewhere. Okay, similarly, if you want to find the L letter word, L letter word will be there on the left hand side of the dictionary. You are currently on the O letter word page. So obviously, L letter word will be there on the left hand side. So this is one of the example or real life application of binary search, which works like a binary search concept. So next is ways of writing binary search algorithm. There are two ways in which we can write binary search algorithm. One is iterative binary search algorithm and second is recursive binary search algorithm. We are going to learn both the algorithms in the upcoming videos. So this was all about introduction to binary search in data structures. Thank you.